If you want to make your audio sound fuller, deeper, and more powerful, then in this video, I'm going to show you how to bass boost in Audacity step by step. This is a super useful editing trick, whether you're working on a podcast, voiceover, music track, or any audio clip that needs a little more low-end strength. And the best part is, you can do it right inside Audacity without needing any extra plugins. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Audacity and load the audio file you want to edit. Once your file is on the timeline, click the track header on the left side of the audio track. This is important because selecting the track tells Audacity exactly which audio you want to apply the effect to. If you don't select the track first, the effect may not apply the way you want it to. After the track is selected, go up to the top menu bar and click on Effect. From the drop-down menu, hover over EQ and Filters. Inside that section, choose Bass and Treble. This tool gives you an easy way to adjust the low frequencies and make your audio sound richer. When the Bass and Treble window opens, you'll see a bass slider measured in decibels. Move the bass slider to the right to increase the low end. The further you move it, the more bass you'll add, so start with a small boost and listen carefully. You don't want to push it too far because too much bass can make your audio sound muddy or distorted. If your audio is a voice recording, a subtle increase usually sounds best. If it's music or a beat, you can experiment a little more until it has the punch you're looking for. Once you're happy with the adjustment, click Apply to process the change. Audacity will then apply the bass boost directly to the selected track. After that, play the audio back and listen to the result. If it sounds too strong, you can undo it and try again with a lighter setting. If it sounds good, you're done with the basic bass boost method. Now, if you want a more natural and gradual sound, there's a better alternative you can use. Instead of bass and treble, go back to Effect, then EQ and Filters, and choose Filter Curve EQ. This method gives you more control over the shape of the sound and can produce a smoother bass boost. In the Filter Curve EQ window, click Presets and Settings, then choose Factory Presets. From there, select Bass Boost. This preset is designed to raise the lower frequencies in a more natural way than the simple slider method. It's a great option if you want the audio to sound fuller without making it feel overly processed. Again, once you've selected the preset, apply the effect and listen back to the track. You can compare both methods and decide which one sounds better for your project. If you're editing spoken audio, the Filter Curve EQ Bass Boost often gives you a cleaner result. If you're just looking for a quick enhancement, the Bass and Treble slider is fast and easy. And that's really all there is to it. You now know how to bass boost in Audacity using two different methods, one simple and one more advanced. Try both, experiment with the settings, and use the ones that fits your audio best. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more Audacity tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more audio editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.